Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial we would like to use the hyperlink feature to help us create a link to a slide in a different presentation. So to do that, we have to first of all specify which text we would like to use to create this hyperlink. It could be text, it could be a picture that you have within the slide. So after selecting, for instance, a picture, then you will go to the insert tab. From the insert tab, then you click on the hyperlink. So when you click on the hyperlink, you will have this dialog box displayed as we can see. So from this dialog box, you'll go and click on this option where we see existing file or web page, because we would like to create a link to a slide in a different presentation, not the slide contained within this file we are working with. So after clicking on this button for existing file or web page, then in this area for look in, you're going to search is that file or that presentation in the current folder, which is my document, or is it on browsed pages, is it on recent pages. So you select any of these three. So in this example, I'll click on the current folder, then I'll look for that very file that I would like to pick that very slide. So you just use the scroll bar. If you have that file on desktop, then you'll click on this button and you'll have access to the file. If it is on other folders in your computer, then you just use this very arrow to access that area. So mine is on my document, so I click my document, then you'll have all the files and folders in my document. So after that, let's assume this is the file that contains the slide I want to create this hyperlink. So you select. So after selecting, you are not going to click on OK. Reason is when you click on OK, you will hyperlink this very file. So if you want to only create a link to a file within your computer, you select the file and click on OK. But this time round, we would like to get the slide within this file. So to get the slide within this file, make sure it is selected. Then on our right side of the screen where we see bookmark, you click on it. So when you click on bookmark, this bookmark will open for you this dialog box known as select place in the document. So from this dialog box, you're going to select the slide that is contained within the presentation. So in this presentation, or in that very presentation file, which is this one that we selected, this file contains only the three slides. So here you can see slide titles. First slide, smart art. Second, smart art includes. Then third is this. So assuming you'd like to select this last slide, then you will just click on it. So when you click, come and click on OK, and come again and click on OK. But before you click on OK, in this address field, you will see that the file name you are working with is known as smart art, and the slide you have selected is in slide 3, and this is the content that is contained in slide 3. Then you will say OK. You click on OK. So when you click on OK, let's go ahead and see whether we shall be in position to have a link to that very slide in the other different presentation file. To do that, we shall click on the slideshow button. So when we click on the slideshow button, we shall go to this picture. So by just pointing at it, it shows to you that there is a link created using this picture. So let's click and see. So when you click, you can see that we are taken to this very content in the other different presentation. So that's how you can create a link to the slide in a different presentation. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.